Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Mulchandani. I am the student of EIILM-Kolkata. My course is BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management. Today we are going to make a lentil green soup.
For this we have the following ingredients. We have bowl of soaked and boiled dal. We have the different type of colored vegetables such as the bell peppers, onion, tomato, beans and coriander, green chili, all the flavorings, the Indian flavors, and we have the lemon. So here we go, we'll start. Okay. This soup is having an Indian flavor, which is a vegetarian soup. Though it is a vegetarian soup, it is rich in protein because it is having all the goodness of this dal. Put 1 spoon of garlic. Let the garlic get a little brown. We'll put some ginger. This is just for the Indian flavor. These are the fresh green chilies to enhance the flavor. This is a very easy recipe but very nutritive recipe. You can put this onion, please saute the onion. We put a little bit of salt to make the cooking process run faster. As this onion gets brown very quickly, we'll put some tomatoes in it. Another spoon. Now we have the colorful vegetables, the carrot, the beans, the bell peppers. This soup is very rich in vitamins. You can always see the color. It is a vibrant color it is having. Now to enhance the flavor and the color, we are putting a little bit of bell pepper. The red one. After we have sauteed this colorful vegetables, we have the dal. We'll pour the dal. We have the Indian masalas. We'll put a little bit of sugar. Now we'll put a little bit of water so that it gets cooked properly. Now we'll wait for 5 minutes.
And now the vegetables have been cooked.
So let's see the rest of the ingredients we are going to put. Wait. Now we are going to put the tamarind pulp. And the coconut milk. Finally, when we have put the coconut milk, now we will put the garnish. Coriander. Right.
Now our food is ready. Please try it at home and let us know how you like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.